Can I ask you something real quick?
Yeah.
Have you noticed Michael being really weird lately?
You mean Michael Myers from the Halloween movies?
No. Michael Haynes, the owner of New Beginnings. He's been acting really weird with it being Halloween and all.
He roams the grounds talking to people who aren't even there. He must be talking to ghosts.
Yes. We'll have the windows there for you soon. Okay? Yep. Thank you.
Here, New Beginning. Okay. He stares through the display windows in our office, just watching us.
Michael, what are you doing?
Well, I'm just watching Dave to make sure he's working.
But I know his weakness. We're out of coffee. He's a zombie without it.
I just bought coffee for the office yesterday.
Chantel, thank you for buying more coffee. What's his problem?
I don't know. Some people get really scared around Halloween.